Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the yearbook 2020 filter on TikTok. So to get this effect you have to go here. This is the effect gallery and now I'm in trending. In trending you just have to slide up and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and done. And suppose you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to Discover and you can search yearbook 2020 in Discover. And these are the video with the effect. Tap on any video you want. Now at the left corner you can see the effect button is there in yellow. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorite, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can directly use the filter from there also. And if you're still not finding the effect, then check the description box below. You'll find the link to the filter there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.